How to schedule programs on your web TV. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, a JMV Technology Support Specialist. Today, I'll show you how to schedule shows on your web TV. To set up the schedule, I'm using JMV Technology's web TV service. Access the dashboard and the Auto VJ menu. Here, we have the programming grid. This button enlarges the screen for better viewing. On the left, vertically, we have hours from 0 to 23. At the top, we have minutes from 0 to 59. We also have a calendar to choose the day for your schedule. To schedule videos, select the gallery folder on the right. Find the video, click and drag it to the desired time slot. Notice the video occupies space based on its duration. In this example, the video plays from 7:35 p.m. to 9:11 p.m. To schedule the next video, just drag it to these three dots. You can also set the video schedule by clicking these three dots and entering the start time. This red line shows the current time, so you can see exactly which part of the video is playing right now. If your content goes past midnight, don't worry. The video will appear in the next day's schedule and play normally until it ends. When you have no scheduled content, the backup playlist will play. You can add multiple videos. They'll loop until a scheduled video starts. After setting up your schedule, just click Save. For convenience, you can duplicate the schedule for another day. This is useful for reruns or similar schedules on different days. You can duplicate a day, week, or month and make changes if needed. Remember to always save after making changes. For JMV Technology's web TV plans with exclusive features, scan the QR code. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow us on social media for more content.